Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on my 2018 Nissan Titan. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. So this is the cabin air filter, not a Tesla for once. So this one has a part number of C25870 and directional flow arrow pointing this direction. Pretty easy. It takes probably 5 minutes to change it out, but there's a couple of little weird nuances. So I just want to show you guys real quick. And that way it's in the system. That way when somebody else is saying, how do I change out my cabin air filter on my 2018 to 2025 Nissan Titan, this is how you do it. So let's get into it. So here it is. So now we can open it up. Get all your crap out of there. I know you got a bunch of crap in there. So this is where we're going. See you got this one right here. And then this one. And then last is this other one. So there's 3 total retainers. So there's one, and there's the other. So what we're gonna do here is reach underneath it here, grab it with your finger, pull it out. There's the one. There's the other. So now that's pulled out. All right, so that one's out now. So now, as you can see, we got this one out, this one out. Now this is holding on still. So now you're gonna take that and you're gonna pull it off. So you can use a little pick set. So now the glove box is out of there, and now we have access to where the cabin air filter goes. So here you can see we just push this. Push the other side. So there's a little push pin. So you can see that right there. Push that in, it releases this side. So now I'm gonna do the same to the other. So this is what the clip looks like on both sides. So there's our cabin air. Looks like somebody already smashed it in there. So you wanna pay attention to your orientation on this. So dirt should be on the top. Oh, it came directly from Nissan like that. So as you can see, dirt is on top. Arrow is pointing up. That's weird. The airflow is backwards on this one. So it's supposed to flow through. So this would be the actual opposite side of the filter. Does it really matter? Probably not. It's just funny to see that. I think Nissan was the last one to service it. You want to make sure you look in there, make sure there's not a bunch of crap in there, and then we'll put it back in. Get our new filter. But we want the arrow to face down. So just like this. Instead of the arrow facing up like it was on the last one, arrow facing down. It's got an angle. Yeah, you do kind of have to smash it.
That's what she said.
There we are. So now the next thing we can do is put our cover back on. Filter's in place. We'll get this crappy old dirty air filter out of there, and then we can put our glove box back in. All right, so now to put the glove box back in, we're gonna grab our little rope here and we're gonna pull it. And as you can see, that little slide is moving back and forth. So that's all you're doing is pulling that. All right, so now I'm gonna take this and try to put the glove box in. So what I'm gonna do is take my pick that I have and I'm gonna grab it, just a little bit of it, because you gotta try to slide it over this little hook. All right, there it's on the hook. So now we can put it closed. And then from this point, now we're just gonna slide our little pins back in. So there's one. And if it doesn't go in, just wiggle it around a little bit. There's 2. And there's 3. So now we got our new cabin air filter in, put all of our crap back in here, and just like that, we're all done. So we can replace our old crappy air filter with the brand new one. All right guys, so that is how you replace your cabin air filter on a 2018 Nissan Titan. The years go up from, I think it's 2016 up to 2025 to current year models. So this is your old filter. Don't make the mistake that the previous person that did, they had it in upside down. Pay attention to your airflow. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.